Maybe when you create a frame in Microsoft Word, you don't know that you can change the size of the frame, and when the frame appears, the frame is too big so that it takes up a lot of space in the Microsoft Word worksheet. Well, to reduce the frame, the method is very easy. Watch this tutorial until the end to find out how. Before that, subscribe to this channel to support us. Okay, let's continue. Select Page Border on the Insert menu, then the Page Border settings will appear. Set the frame size and width by reducing the existing size or the default size. We can adjust the size by looking at the display after being reduced in the preview on the right. If it feels right, click OK to save the settings and you can see the results. How easy, right? That's how to reduce the frame in Microsoft Word. Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all of you. See you in the next video.